Peace be upon you. I hope you all are doing well. You must have seen the solid stones on the roads. It takes an immense amount of physical force to break them. Physically, you have to break it with a lot of force or with the help of some special heavy-duty machines. It is drilled and broken into small pieces and then cleared away. But when it comes to your teeth, the mineralized tartar that accumulates on them is much less hard than that. It is not nearly as tough. For this, the specialized machinery that dentists use is called an ultrasonic scaler. It is a high precision machine made of high quality stainless steel, and you just have to gently touch it to the teeth, and the stubborn tartar starts breaking off into tiny pieces and coming off easily. So this is quite a unique mechanism, the way tartar forms on teeth and the sophisticated method used to remove it. Even so, scratches can appear on the teeth because of this scaler, and repeated scaling can cause irritation in your gums, make your teeth rough, and lead to even more tartar building up on your teeth than before. That's why polishing your teeth is very important. Whenever you get scaling done, make sure to get your teeth polished as well so the problem doesn't return quickly, and be sure to brush your teeth before going to bed at night and before breakfast in the morning. Take your time, spend 2 to 3 minutes and clean your teeth thoroughly, and then tartar will not build up on your teeth again. But even then, you may have noticed that you experience this issue. After getting scaling done, within 10 to 15 days, tartar starts to build up on your teeth again, your gums start to bleed, your teeth become sensitive, and your gums begin to recede. These are very common problems. Every third or fourth person faces this issue. So what should you do? In today's video, I'm going to share something new with you, so watch carefully. It's for your benefit. So first of all, in our daily morning routine, we don't just use a toothbrush alone. We always add toothpaste with it, because every toothpaste has its own unique and specific function. So when you are looking for a toothpaste that protects against tartar, prevents it from forming, and also removes it to some extent, such a paste must contain two essential ingredients. Whenever you go to the market to buy your next tube of toothpaste, always remember that it really must have these two specific things. One is zinc and the other is pyrophosphate. When these two are combined, tartar will not form on your teeth, and even the crystals that start to form in the early stages will break down and disappear. This is a very unique feature of it. So whenever you buy toothpaste, no matter the brand, you must make sure it contains these two things. One is zinc and the other is pyrophosphate. Now, apart from this, the latest trend worldwide, according to new research, is that some special enzymes have been added to toothpaste, such as an enzyme called tartaris. Its mechanism is that when tartar forms, it contains proteins that make up its bulk, and this enzyme breaks those down, which causes the rest to be automatically removed. So, there has been good research on this as well, but more research is needed because only after conducting large-scale studies will we know more about its benefits. For now, according to the available research, this tartaras enzyme removes tartar, and the toothpaste is marketed under the name Tartar End. It is available online, but a bit more research is still required on this. So actually there is another very important thing, cuttle bone. Cuttle bone is aragonite, which scrubs the teeth and cleans them thoroughly. You can also use it if it is available in any toothpaste. It is a very good thing. Toothpaste is available under the name aragonite. Apart from this, the third thing I mentioned, which is very good, is if you take pure plant aloe vera gel, extract the gel from inside, and use it as a toothpaste, the tartar that has built up will soften and gradually start to come off. That is, aloe vera gel as a toothpaste is bitter, but bitter medicine brings relief quickly. If you use it regularly, the tartar on your teeth will also start to come off. This is a very unique property of it. And if we talk about sesame seeds, if you chew them thoroughly once a day, the tartar that accumulates on your teeth will also come off and your teeth will get polished as well. They act as a scrub, cleaning your teeth thoroughly. And another important thing is that using xylitol not only prevents cavities in your teeth, but also reduces tartar buildup. If you chew xylitol gum for 5 minutes after every meal, you won't get cavities in your teeth, and the bacteria that cause tartar will also be eliminated. So this is another unique and very important benefit of xylitol. And there's another old remedy that's still in use, coconut oil. First thing in the morning, take some coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes, then spit it out. This will soften the tartar in your mouth, making it easier to remove later with a toothbrush. So these are some very beneficial tips that I have shared with you today, which will be of great help to you. You won't need to visit the dentist repeatedly. However, if the tartar still doesn't come off despite these methods, then you should consult a dentist and get your teeth scaled and polished. But you can avoid repeated scaling if you use these things. If you have had your scaling and polishing done properly once by a good dentist, then by using these methods, tartar will not build up on your teeth again. You will be in a safe zone. So I hope you found today's information helpful. If you have any questions related to this, you can ask them in the comment box below. Thank you.